Welcome back! The wait is over. In this video, we will show you exactly how to activate your BuddyBot for futures trading. Important note, this tutorial covers the futures mode. If you are looking for swing trading, please go to our BuddyXAi strategy tutorials and find the swing trade tutorial. Step 1. Select your coins. First, click on Asset Selection. Here you can choose which coins to trade. You can select multiple coins at the same time, up to a maximum of 50 coins in a single batch. Step 2. Select your strategy. Next, choose your preset strategy. You have options like Dash Plus, DCA Plus, Algo Plus, and Martingale Plus. Each strategy behaves differently. If you are unsure which one to pick, check our strategy breakdown tutorial or ask in our community group. For this example, we will select DCA+. Step 3. Choose direction. Select your direction, long, short, or hedging. We highly recommend hedging for beginners as it helps the bot manage risks during market volatility. Step 4. Leverage. You will see the leverage is preset, for example, 3 times. Note, in preset mode, this is fixed for safety. If you are an expert trader and need higher leverage, you can use the custom strategy mode instead. Step 5. Investment amount. Now, look at the expected investment. Margin. This number is the total reserve calculated for one specific coin, covering its first order and all necessary DCA funds. This makes planning easy. For example, if the margin is 34 USDT and you have 100 USDT, you can safely select about 3 coins to run simultaneously. Step 6. Launch. Once you are ready, simply click Save. The bot will instantly apply its optimized indicators and begin trading all your selected coins. It's that simple. Your futures bot is now live. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.